First of all, we need to go to the app drawer, and then while being in the app drawer, we need to swipe to the right side like this. We will see this message introducing private space. We want to press continue, verify ourselves by providing the fingerprint, for example, or by using a screen lock password. And then after a few seconds, you should be able to see further instructions. So in this case, I need to enter my screen lock password again, so I'm gonna do that, and then let's proceed. And then we need to choose the password for our private space. So our hidden apps in private space will have a password. We can use any of these password types, and in addition to these password types, you will also set up a fingerprint. If you want to, you can set up a password without the fingerprint just by pressing continue without fingerprint, and then you can once again choose the password type. In my case, I'm gonna use a simple pin code. Let's say I'm gonna use this one, and then let's proceed by pressing next, enter the same password again, and confirm your choice. There we go. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and you should see that we are all set, so we can press done. Now over here we have our private space. In order to open it, you have to go to the app drawer and swipe to the right side like this. Of course, we need to enter the privacy password in order to proceed. And if you want to hide an app now, all you have to do is simply press this add button that we have over here, and you can choose which apps should be hidden. So let's say I'm gonna choose to hide Fitbit and YouTube Music, and let's go back. Now these apps will be available over here in this private space. Instead of add, now we have edit. If you want to remove something in the future from this private section, you can just tap on the apps that you have added so far. And as you can see, if we go to the app drawer, YouTube Music is gone, there is no Fitbit app, and so on and so forth. So in order to access them, I have to go to the private space, like so. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.